Hi, I am Leslie and welcome to my very first vlog. In this vlog, I'm going to teach you how to pay your PLDT bills using your Shopee Pay. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for this time, we will use our Shopee Pay to pay our PLDT bills. So, click the Shopee app and then Shopee Pay. Next is click mobile load and data. And then these are the promos or the flash deals. So since it's our first time, we can get 250 coins, 200 coins, 150 or 100. So for bills payment, go to click pay now. And then click landline and internet. Input your account number and identifier is your telephone number including the area code. So for Bohol, it's 038 and then your telephone number. Input the amount. So you can click claim your vouchers. Don't forget to click claim. Alright, so next is please ensure your account number and identifier is correct. So let me check mine first. Okay, so click continue. So click payment option, Shopee Pay, confirm. Input voucher is, I will click 32% coins cashback. So I will get 250 coins and then I will redeem my 2 coins. Alright, so wish me luck because this is my first time. Alright. Wow. Okay. Now, payment successful. So, we need to view order details. Yan. Okay. So, this, we cannot click order receive first because need natin i-check muna sa PLDT kung na-reflect ba yung payment natin. So, I guess it's 1 to 2 days processing. So if you want to check if your digital purchase is already successful, click digital. So since to receive pa siya, di pa natin ito i-re-receive. We need to check kasi kung na-reflect na siya sa PLDT natin. Okay? So, that's it. So, in my next video, isi-share ko kung na-reflect na. Okay? So, that's it. So, in my next video, I will show you if okay na yung payment ng PLDT. Okay?
Meanwhile,
so this time, we need to check our PLDT Home Smart App if it's credited. So, you need to open my PLDT Smart App. It's available in iOS and Android devices. Alright. You can see the total amount due is already 0. And view account. Last payment on January 15, 2021. Okay. So, ayan. It's legit. Okay? This time, let's go to Shopee. I-order receive natin yung digital purchase. So, click digital purchase. Our order is nasa to receive. So, since order fulfilled na, this one, click order receive. Confirm. Ayan. Your order is completed already. If you need to download your receipt, nasa pinakababa siya. Download my receipt. There. Screenshot mo lang. Alright. Let's see if the 250 coins is credited. Yay! So, ayan. May 250 coins ka na. So, this method of paying your PLDT bills is less hassle. You can get 250 coins cashback. So, for your 1299 amount, may cashback na 250, so nakasave ka. Right? You can use your Shopee coins when you purchase, again, digital purchase or even goods, foods, or electronic things here in Shopee. So, that's it for today. Thank you very much. So, that's it. Thank you everyone for watching my first vlog.